Yo guys, check out my Fishdom game. Today I'm going to show you guys how to get rich in Fishdom, and I'm going to show you where to get your Fishdom code. So this is super insane. So go to this website, ogsnags.com. So let me just type it in right here, and on this page we can get our Fishdom promo code. So we are going to type in Fishdom, and as you can see, free gems. So just go press show coupon code and wait for it to load. So once it loads up, guys, what we're going to do is just go ahead and press get full code. It's going to bring us to this new page here where we need to answer what we like about Amazon, guys. So make sure you do that. It doesn't have to be the same one as me, but I picked super fast shipping. So now we got to enter my email address. So make sure you guys use an email that you got access to, because they are sending the Fishdom promo code to your email. So as you can see, it says activating your reward. So the next thing we need to do is register. We need to fill out all, guys. So make sure you fill out all your information right here. It's pretty simple, but what they're going to do is make sure you're real, and then they'll send you the Fishdom code to that email address that you guys entered. So let me just go ahead and fill this out right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just gonna type this in. Pretty cool. Alright, and yeah, baby, it's working. Alright, so anyway, we're done now, pretty much. Alright, and we're just gonna press, and then it has us do a survey, guys, which is not fun, but it is necessary. So let's just go ahead and do the survey right here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna answer all these questions. Some of it might be not pertaining to you, like do you have like debt and stuff, so you can just press no on those. So I'm just going to answer these. Alright, pretty easy. So let's just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just answering these. Pretty cool. Alright, yeah. Okay, so once you're done, we should be all set. So let's just finish up here, as you can see. Alright, I think I'm almost done with the survey. Okay, so anyway, guys, now we need to press I agree and continue, and then we should get our Fishdom code, guys. Now they are going to show you a new thing that's like you're done and stuff. So let me just show you guys that. As you can see, it says it's great work, survey done, optional offers finished. And the final step is the deal. So you may have to do a deal, guys, where you have to reach a certain level in a game. So as you can see, we got these deals here, and they have like this Monopoly Go one where you reach like board 18. So you would just do that. It's pretty simple. Like, I mean, I'm not angry or anything about it. So yeah, if you see a deal like this where it says like do this, just make sure you complete that, and you guys should be good to go. And you'll get your Fishdom promo code.